Yeah, just dump them right there, and then after my turn goes out, and be ready to run because this could get a little scary. We're for sure gonna get scared. There's a good chance somebody could die. Yeah, I'm gonna take a couple more steps, I think. Fat old man can't run quite as fast. Oh, you ripped your new rain pants.
Yeah.
That sucks. Duct tape them.
Get them for $15.
Duct tape them.
I'm gonna duct tape that one and then just fucking zip back.
This one might be a little scary. That top comes around, it could get ugly. Ugly. Come on, Wyatt. There you go. Oh, I'm getting scared already.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
That's all right. Now he's got that top that broke out on me. That's going to be one of your logs, Ty. Get some. Go, 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 go. Nice. Oh, crap. Come on, don't eat up that little tree. Damn it. Good. Oh my God. Holy crap. You guys are scaring me. Let's not do that anymore.
Hi.
Get it out of here.
Alright, whistle's not going through again.
Good Lord. We got to step out, guys. That scared me. Oh my God. Just above. I got one set just above you on that bonus. Yeah, that one for you, yes. You see it? Yeah. Okay. Step out, Ty. Yeah, haul ass. He's ready to go, so hurry. He's good. Watch this little butt right up here. Yeah, it should, they're all just little ones. It should just pull right around for you. Nice. Oh man, that's awesome. Huff ho. Yeah. You're good. Light turn like that. You don't really want to cross that skyline with a turn on it, but with a little one like that, you're all right. Oh.
I was getting set up up here.
Oh, no, it gets chokers first. Zach. Oh crap. There's your water in the sack. Make sure you... No kidding. Anyway, so I got asked last night in a comment to explain a little more how the carriage works. Now I'll try to get it opened up again. Get a little better view of it. Anyway, so it's got the two clamps. It's got a clamp on the skid line inside that you can't see, and then it's got the skyline clamp. So when it comes back and we stop it, we blow one, it closes the skyline clamp, and then you can either blow one more, or they give it a short and a long. The short and long kicks it into high gear. When you do that, it opens the skid line clamp, pushes the little mechanism down that pushes the line into the wheel that's spitting, and spits the drop line out. And then once you get your turn set and you're ready to go up, you blow two. That releases the mechanism, and the skid clamps open, and then you can pick it up. And then once it's up, or if you need to move the carriage, you blow three. And that closes the skid line, opens the skyline. Like I say, I'll get the doors open and work the functions back and forth a few times so you can actually get a good view of it. Can you hear that tube of talking on that 50? He's got a pretty good turn on her. Stop.
Go ahead on it.
Hup-ho. Come on.
Wind on her.
Come on, Wyatt. Start shifting. We're going to have to talk to Sweetheart about shifting some gears.